Namaste India, Bimbo Cornejo Vlogs.
Please subscribe to our channel.
Like and share. Salamat. Guys, today's challenge is comparison between Philippines mango, mango shake, and these Indian mango juice. So let's see what they like. Bimbo is preparing.
This is the Philippine mango shake we are preparing now.
So guys, I am preparing now Indian mango juice. We need a mango, obviously, for
This is the main
This is the main ingredient.
Mango. How you call this again?
mango Carino Rus.
Kerenoras. It
And
has
you-
sugar.
Yeah, like I'm not adding too much. We are too many.
Straight
so
away. Oh my
Then-
God, what is this?
This is cardamom powder.
Cardamom powder.
Yes.
Alright.
You
I thought
add-
it's black pepper.
No. And some like milk, some don't like. So I'm just putting half.
This is
cup of
fresh milk. Fresh milk what you put?
fresh milk.
Okay.
And I'm going to add some water.
Water. Oh, that is your mango shake. Okay. So no ice.
No ice.
No ice. Oh, guys, look, oh.
But
This
you
is the
will
mango
add
shake.
chill water.
Chill water. So let's see. It's totally big difference. Philippine and Gujarati mango shake. That's it. Very easy because no ice. I think that is done. Very
No,
quick.
we need little bit water
A little bit more water.
because it is very
Oh,
thick.
put it here. So it's easy.
I'm adding from top.
Okay.
Because it should be little bit liquid form.
Okay, so let's see kung alin ang magugustuhan nila, guys. Okay?
Yeah? Yes.
That's it?
And it
Okay.
is done.
Done. So, let me see inside. It's like mango. But this is without
very thick.
Yeah, look, without ice. And our blender is good.
Good.
Good. Our blender is good. This is drink machine, high performance commercial blender. Let's see. Patitikman natin ang Gujarati mango juice and Philippine mango shake.
So guys, my family is here. And they will taste today first time Filipino mango shake.
We
Okay?
will not tell them the ingredients. It's secret, yeah?
Secret ingredients, guys. We have today Filipino this mango shake, and we have our Indian Carino Rus.
This one is Kerenora.
This is Carino Rus. Okay, so you have to tell either Filipino mango shake is better or this one. Yeah, honest answer. Don't worry.
Okay, so let's start the eating now.
Start with Kartik. Okay, ma'am.
Ladies first and mom.
Mom.
Yes, to mom.
Since I have you, yeah. Dad.
And dad.
And this is for my little princess.
How about Shania?
Careful. And maybe your one is here.
Okay, yeah, just
Here?
put it
Here
there.
you want?
Okay. So guys, you can start eating now. This is with ice.
Let me taste as well.
Okay. If it's sweet or is it very sweet, Shama, or that's fine? Oh, no sweet.
It is okay.
It's okay? Of course, Shama is okay. Of course, you done that.
No, but
This is better.
This is better. Okay, let's
what do
see.
you
Let's see.
think? What ingredients we put it inside?
I think milk.
Milk
Milk, fresh milk, fresh milk.
Milk.
Okay.
And mango.
Yes, of
Of
course,
course.
that is mango shake. No, it's mango shake.
And sugar.
Sugar,
Sugar and
ice.
oil.
Yeah, ice. This is with ice. So later.
later.
How about
What
that?
do you think? What is inside, Mom?
It is
That first.
nice taste. It is mango
Flavor, yeah?
Flavor.
Yes.
It is added in rice and other. I think that custard will be in it.
What's that?
No, that we are asking.
Custard.
Custard?
Custard. Yeah, custard.
Custard powder.
Yeah, custard powder. Okay, thank you, Dad.
Yeah.
It's nice for hot weather, yeah? It's nice for hot
Very
weather.
for the healthy in this season.
Yeah, in this season. Okay, Dad, thank you. How about Mom? Ingredients, you can speak Gujarati, yeah?
કયા એ નાખ્યા છે તત્વો અંદર?
Sugar,
Sugar.
Then
condensed milk,
Condensed milk,
ice,
ice, yeah? And then mango.
mango.
Okay,
Very
yeah, that has custard and Sima.
સીમા શું શું નાખ્યું છે અંદર?
Milk,
Yeah, milk.
fresh milk,
Yeah, fresh milk.
milk,
Yeah, milk. Again, non-stop milk.
condensed milk,
Condensed milk.
I think cream,
Cream, yeah, cream.
And
Okay.
mango, obviously.
Mango. And Nine, okay, thank you, Sima. Yeah, so later we will reveal the exact ingredients.
Okay, guys.
Okay?
So, what is your opinion, Karthik? Now,
It
I
is
have-
good taste.
It's good taste,
Yeah,
yeah?
There now time is good taste.
Because it's
But-
very hot, yeah?
Yeah.
Very hot.
But between the fight of Indian juice and Filipino
we will
juice,
see.
Yeah, we
inside.
will
I
see.
will tell after.
Yeah, after you taste this.
Okay.
Okay.
So guys,
Okay.
waiting.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
How about Nina? Nina, you're eating, yeah? Okay, and baby? Baby taste it?
baby kemal lagi?
Alright.
Oh,
Okay.
Yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy. It's nice this hot weather, this mango shake.
Karthik, what do you want to say?
Good, good quality of taste and perfect
Combination.
combination for mango juice.
Okay. So that is good. So
Let's see, guys. After they taste the
Indian
Yeah.
mango. So guys, it is time for our Indian Kerinoras, Indian mango juice. Before we start to Indian one, I will tell you the ingredients. Yeah. There was ice, condensed milk, and obviously mango and cheese.
cheese. No sugar, no sugar. But this one, they know the ingredients.
They know.
I know as
used to
well.
it.
I find out. So
Yes. They know
okay.
every day.
This is made of Madam Shama.
So Bimbo will taste
I will
first
taste
time.
as well. I will take this one. Okay. So let's see.
They know the taste of this.
Yeah, this is very simple. But no ice, yeah, no ice. But it's nice.
Nice.
Because of this, what you put, this
Cardamom powder.
Yeah, cardamom powder, make
Cardamom,
it. Yeah.
Hmm.
I thought it's black pepper, but this make more delicious.
Flavor.
Yeah, flavor.
Hmm.
I like it.
They are enjoying, guys, now.
It's nice.
Mom is very comfortable with Indian one.
Because of this seeds, make it more delicious.
Hmm. So let's see after
This
they
will
drink.
work in Philippines.
Are you sure?
Yeah, this
So
will
when
work.
I go in Philippines, I will have mango juice, Indian mango
Maybe
juice.
they will learn from our video to make this in Philippines.
Try it, guys. It is very nice
There
taste.
is not expensive ingredient.
Ingredients,
But it's
yes.
very delicious.
Delicious. Karthik?
Good.
No, of course this is good. But what do you think? Philippine item or this Indian
Now we have
one?
to tell them which one is
Which one is better?
Which one they like or-
It is time to now. You have to file. It's time for you to now give us like a result, like you know,
judgment.
Judgment.
Just
Yes.
5 minutes.
This is the eating.
Okay. Sima, do you like Philippine one or
Yeah.
this Indian one?
No, Philippine juice is better. It's nice taste.
Really? Oh, so that is
Mango
good.
juice all day. She's eating.
Okay, because they eat always this. So
This is old.
for them it is used to.
Yeah.
So Filipino is different dish for them.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Karthik?
This is a good taste of Indian mango.
Mm.
But I try to better Filipino mango juice. So better just now.
Hmm.
First time,
First
yeah?
time I will taste to Filipino juice.
No. So what do you recommend? Filipino best or Indian one?
Best is both them.
Yes,
But
both.
I will try to new type of mango juice of Filipino.
Oh,
So good
okay.
taste
Mm-hmm.
and good quality
Mhm.
of Filipino taste.
Okay,
Okay.
because it is
So,
new, you like
yeah.
the taste.
Yeah.
Okay, mom.
બેવ ટેસ્ટ સારા છે.
But you have to judge like Indian or
પણ છે
Filipino.
ને કે આપણે ગુજરાતી પ્રમાણે રીત જુદી છે અને ફિલિપિન્સ પ્રમાણે રીત જુદી છે.
She like both.
She like both. Okay.
Okay.
How about dad?
That
I think that Indian Jews drinks daily.
Yeah.
And this is Filipino is different item.
First
it is
time,
very attractive and
Mm.
delicious.
Delicious.
This is simple system prepared. So it is very difficult
Yeah.
to convince the Filipino system of juice,
Okay.
mango. It is very and important and very costly. I think that it is very costly.
Yeah.
Filipino juice is costly.
Yes. In Philippines, this is very costly.
Costly,
Yeah. So for me, what I like, I like both.
Mm.
I enjoy this one as well because in Philippines I used to as well this Philippine mango shake, but this one is very unique taste because of this seed. So for me, Philippine and Indian mango shakes are equal.
Equal.
Yeah, I like this. Filipino will like this.
They will
Honestly,
like
they
it.
will like this.
So I want to try I want to pass message to the Filipino viewers.
Yeah.
Please try this recipe and please leave the comments whether you like or
Only
no.
they need is this seed.
Seed,
Yeah, this seed
cardamom.
only, and easy to do.
Even though milk is not available, you can do in water. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you my family for coming here. And also guys, I want to shout out my brother channel, Seema Karthik Family Vlog. Guys, they need viewers. So please support their channel. Okay.
And support and like and share.
Like and share as well. And thank you for coming, my family. You are always there to
It's been a long time.
long time after we been corona positive.
Yeah, corona.
So this is after long time we are get together. So thank you for coming, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe Bimbo Cornejo Vlogs. We are nearly 200,000 subscribers. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to leave comment. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you.